Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you to check Chatgpt API key. Here you can see this is Chatgpt, and after that now how we can get API key so that we can add anywhere, for example in any website. So let's see, just you can type Chatgpt API key. After that here you can see the second option. This is Chatgpt official website. Just click here. After that click here login. So let's click continue with Google. After that here you can see on my account option view API keys. So just you can click here, and after that on this page you can see these are the API keys that I have created. Just you can create new API key. For example, we can give a name and click here create secret key. So here you can see the new API key has been generated. Just you can copy this and use anywhere. So thank you for watching.